hey, if you're looking to create sales projections for a B2B or enterprise software as a service business, then you've come to the right place. We have created a free sales projection template built specifically for a B2B SaaS or enterprise SaaS businesses with a sales team component built in. So I'm going to walk you through how to use this template today. I'm also going to show you, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you our premium template for a full financial model for a B2B SaaS business, as well as give you a coupon code to be able to access that as well. So first of all, my name is Adam Hoeksema. I'm the co-founder of ProjectionHub, and over the last decade, we've helped about 50,000 entrepreneurs create financial projections for potential investors and lenders. And today, we're going to be focused on this enterprise SaaS sales projection template, and I'm going to go ahead and dive in and show you how to use it. So first, we're going to start with our customer acquisition, and we have the ability here to do customer acquisition through advertising. So most enterprise sales is probably going to be done through a sales team, but you may also do some ad spend as well, maybe even just to get some leads. And so we have the ability to have ad spend, cost per click. We also have the ability to have organic website visitors. And then those visitors are going to convert at some rate into website visitors into customers. And so we have the ability to see here our number of customers from advertising and organic. Now, we also have a sales team section here. So let's say we have our number of sales reps, the leads per sales rep per month that each sales rep can connect with, and then a conversion rate of lead to customer. And so now we have new customers from sales reps as well down here. Then we have the ability to just add in new customers from other sources that you can just kind of manually enter as well. If you have existing customers, you can put in your starting number of customers here. And then you can add a churn rate, so an annual churn rate. Hopefully it's not 30%, but depending on the type of software you have, you can enter that in as well. And that will give you your total number of active customers here, calculated here. Now we jump into the software revenue. Now that we know our customers, we have the ability to add setup fees and kind of ongoing services. So you can have the ability to have a different services like configuration or setup fees that you might charge, or kind of helping the customer get your software up and running in their shop. And so you also have the ability to say what percentage of new customers are going to opt in to purchase this higher level service. So this is kind of service revenue. And now getting into the software revenue, the recurring revenue down here. So you have the ability to add different tiers, different start months. So we can say, hey, this offering, starts in month 1, then in, month 13, we're going to add this new level, and so on. And you can have different levels of monthly revenue. And then what percentage of your customers are subscribing to each tier, right? So that's what we're looking to do here. And that will give us our subscription revenue. And then lastly, we can just put in some other sources of revenue. It's kind of a catch-all, other consulting revenue or things like that you want to put in. And ultimately, that's going to give you your setup fees and service revenue here, your subscription revenue, and other revenue projections as well. And as promised, I'm going to go ahead and jump over and just show you now our premium template. And this is our B2B SaaS premium template. You'll get a full 5 years of a full financial model, including expenses, assets, and liabilities. You see some different charts and graphs and startup funds, use of funds, some KPIs. You also get a 5-year income statement summary, 5-year cash flow summary, and a 5-year balance sheet summary. And you also get the income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet projections by month for each of the 5 years. Now, and with the premium template, in addition to the sales projection piece that I already showed you, you're going to have these other tabs here as well with to add in expenses, operating expenses, cost of goods sold, and your salary positions as well. And then we're back at our at a glance tab. So that is our premium template. As a thank you for sticking around and watching the video, we are going to put a coupon code for the premium template in the description of this video. So go down there, grab that, and then use that during checkout when you purchase this premium template. And if you have any questions along the way, reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com, and we'll do our best to help. Thanks.